Am I alive? Hello, hello. So I'm gonna check on my phone. Oh, did not hear all that. Huh. Okay, okay. I do see it. Now I'm a bit stressed. Hello. Yes, live coding sessions. Oh my god. I did a stream yesterday as well. My first one. This is second one. Yes, because I wanted to stream and I didn't know what to stream, so I'm like, you know what, I can just do something some stuff and then be like I can stream. Okay, so that is a very interesting question. Okay, let me I started working on this. As we're starting, we will just be doing some simple stuff, okay? Let's not put too much. Let's not get too scared first time because, well, I'll be honest. I don't think I'm that good in coding. Cooking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We were we are already cooked. We can't be cooking if we are already cooked. I was just trying to find. I just need to do a few setups that I didn't do yesterday, and I don't know how to do what I forgot. Okay, live control room. Got it. We are cooked. Yes, we are cooked. So I started working on like just a simple to-do list project yesterday that I it is easier. It will be easier to make others understand because I really understand it well. But I do have plans. You're overcooked? No, don't be overcooked. So I do have plans to move to next chase after right after this. So I have a few projects that are there lined up for my GitHub that I want to just be streaming and just do it. Okay, let me share the screen, not my face. That's crazy. Uh, okay. Ha! We got it! This is Firefox, don't worry about it. So, I have been. So, I had a few. Huh. So, look, this is my GitHub. If you want, I don't build much stuff on my GitHub. Stream of the year! No, shut up. Yeah, only streaming face. Um, so I do have a few projects listed. Let me share my GitHub. Okay, are you just trying to scare me? Please don't scare me. I am already scared that you will show me like a really crazy GitHub profile and I'll be like, whoa, calm down. No, no. I think it will be a yes, yes. Oh, let me I almost forgot. Let me not share my Discord. That's kind of stupid of me. पता नहीं कितने टाइम से कुछ डाला नहीं. Bye. Okay. That's fine. Ani 117. Oh. Hmm. Okay. Oh wow, you have a cool read me. Wait, I know where you use that thing. I was using this thing yesterday, and then I was like, I don't want all of this in my GitHub. I can want like a thing like this, but not the same thing. It just looks so similar. Like half the people have the same thing. So I would definitely like want to make something different that is just not this. Let me check your projects. Learn Python. Nice. Python learning is nice. Portfolio app. Wow. I wanna check. Do you have it hosted anywhere? Oh, you have it looking like this. Wow. I have another friend who has exactly, almost, not exactly. Next, Amazon Scraper. Oh, so is it about that data scraping from web, that kind of application? Link hai waha? Oh, wait, I didn't. Oops. Oh my god. Here we go again. Okay, I have to clone it. It's why is it hosted? I can't find it. It's not hosted, is it? Uh, oh, oh, sorry, I'm blind. I'm blind. I am blind. It says hosted in Vercel. That's nice. And then there is a download CV. It's clean. The little animation is also nice. Services. What services do you provide? Web development, SEO optimization, mobile development. Oh, you know both okay, native. So you know React Native. Where do this go to? Wait, what? These arrows don't take anywhere. What is this? What do these arrows do? Oh my god. Why don't these arrows do anything? I am a bit. I thought it will take me somewhere. I was like so happy. I'm like, okay, I'll click these arrows, I'll go somewhere, and then it didn't take me. And I was, I was okay. Oops, let's not. Experience. Nice. Front end developer, intern, software developer, senior software developer. I should learn software. I should learn development from you. I am not a senior yet. I'm still a junior. Okay. Oh, you have like these are nice. Wait, which are these icons that you used? Your web page have dark theme. Oh yes, because I was discussing it yesterday with my friend. So Yeah, so like medium doesn't have a dark theme and it is crazy. So I have to like every time I can't just change to dark theme, so I have just a dark thing in this one. Now see animation. What animation? Oh wait, what? Ah, that's why it was taking so long when I changed when I changed the page. Oh, that's nice. It is nice. Shatsian. Oh, if you try to add like links to this, like all these technologies, it would be like really good, I think. Like suppose someone click on Redux and it takes like to Redux's homepage. Form is not working. You bet. let's let's okay. I want to hire you. I don't have money. I will only pay via some online coins that have no value. You're so cooked. Oh my god. Wait, I also did the same thing. So in my portfolio as well, I tried to I tried to do this thing and it is just so funny. You wanna see my portfolio? Wait. Mine I haven't posted it anywhere. It's just a simple let me GitHub. Oops, I don't know what I'm typing. It's very okay. Content warning. It's so pink. It's just pink. Okay, there is no other color. There is only pink. I don't know how. I just put it everywhere. And then I don't know how recruiters will judge me. I don't even care. At this point, I'm like deal with my pink thing. It doesn't. It's my profile, right? Wait, no, it's not my profile. Oh, this one is the one that I was trying to. Where is my portfolio? Okay, I'm blind again. There, it has to be. Oh, help! What is this? Wait, no, it's just not loading. It has to be this, my profile. What is this? Okay, it's not the main branch. Apparently, I made two branches for this. God knows why. Um, okay. How do you write that GitHub IO port profile thingy? Bloom pink. Chocolate did they not? This also not okay. Bloom bloom pink is not gonna work. No, 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 no. It's just wait. Hold up. 1 second. Let me find. Let me search. Okay, I know I can do this. Dude, I'm so hungry. I didn't want to stream today because some people came apparently like out of nowhere. They just came to my house, and then I was supposed to, and then I was supposed to like talk to them. And I am so bad in talking to people. I just stood there, I was just smiling the entire time, and I was like, please let me go. I don't want to be here. And then it took me all my energy. Like I lost all my ah. Oh my god. Hold up 1 second. It isn't that. Definitely not that. It has to be this and then GitHub IO. There is another dot. Dude, it's crazy. Why would someone do it like this? Please take me to. Okay. Oh, finally I do it. Do you have any resume template now? Oh, yes. No, I don't think. I made it on Canva. There is no resume template. However, I found one guy once who sent me some resume template and it was actually nice. So if you want it, I can give it to you. So look, this is how what it looks like. And I have a small photo of myself from 5,000 years back. Yeah, I can send it to you. I don't know. Some random people just keeps texting me on Instagram. They're like, this one really kind person. He sent me that thing. I don't talk to him anymore. He was a bit weird. Wait. Oh my god. What? So if you scroll, it's fine. Now if you go down like this, I think this thing is why? But though it is like can you? Anyways, we don't judge our designs. I have to fix it. Like, why does it cover this thing? Okay, anyways, so this is about. It's just simple. It's very simple. I just have some experience of my working 4 years in Cognizant and going nowhere. So bright. I know it's all white. There is no dark mode. I haven't maintained a theme anywhere. Okay. And education and then some projects that I forgot. I have worked boom codes, yes, boom codes. So and then I have some skills mentioned here which I have to change because um I have I work with more things now, so I have developed. And then there is a get in touch, and oh, I also have this email option that I never use. So here I have my GitHub. Wait, what? Oh shit, I changed my GitHub name. Ah, oops, I need to change that thing, which is good. And I have LinkedIn, and I have my Medium account linked here. I am such a ardent Medium reader. And then you can also go this. Do you like this one, by the way? Oh wait, if it was dark you would see it better. Like look, this is a bit oh what is, damn, that looks, oh whoa, oh my god, it became red. I think I need to work on this, on the theming part, because I don't want someone to open and see like red. It looks like blood. This thing I designed, I'm really, it's so cool. It looks like glass. It's just transparent, that's all. So yeah, okay. Now what I did yesterday, I just made a white project. What I'm cooking? I am cooking good. So anyways, I just made a white project and I hope uh this will just be a first thing that I did, because I couldn't figure out what to do. Lale, I know it's too red. Jab I changed the theming to black, it turned to red. I don't want it to be red. So I have to do some theming on my portfolio, I guess. Not now. I don't want to do that now. So see, I think I'm gonna scrape off this to-do list because it's not. I have already made so many to-do list in my life. I don't want to make any more to-do list. Um, I know it's a really nice, important project. Huh? What if I already get started with the Next.js project, but then I am not really okay. Let's just do a project setup. I am not really good with what do you call it? So I was planning to do. Okay, there are more projects right in your thing. Nice. What is the Excel maker? What? Bookstore? Ah, okay, okay. It's just a Node.js backend project. Lazy loading image. Is it just you use some lazy loading? Ah, you used ref. I sometimes get so confused on using ref, but I love using ref. Oof, that is weak map. I have never used anyone use weak map in their code ever. Am I too backward? What game is this? Play games. What is this? No games. It's only it will only be coding stream. I literally took my break from games. It's not gonna be games anymore for me. See, games and all is nice, but no. To associate DOM elements with their respective callbacks. Bapre, this is too high level JavaScript for me. Huh. This is oh, nice though, I think. So you were just making the entire lazy loading thing, how it works. Images. Huh. It's nice, but it's oh, I think it's observer, and then there is a entries, and then you made a for each loop that takes the entry, then it has entry dot target, and what it does is this makes a callback. Oh, it's I feel like the names are like really complicated. If you write a more simple names, people really like it. Just saying. I would have appreciated it if you wrote some small names that did not that I found betray. What kind of betray? Can you not read the name of my stream? It doesn't say games anywhere, does it? So uh huh. I have been working on like some things. So there are two things that I have planned. One is this definitely this medium clone that I think I have set up the medium clone one. So this will be my Node.js project. Oh sorry, Next.js project, not Node.js. Okay, I did nothing in this one. I just initialized it and committed it. Okay, okay. Now we just gonna do this. Okay. And we will open some, not Netflix, not Netflix. ChatGPT refactored code. Why are you code so much? See, that is the thing. You don't learn anything if ChatGPT keeps on refactoring your code. Is this boom code review session? Yes, it is a boom code review session. What I think is like I have some plans like we will do peer programmings, and what I mean by peer programmings is that And what I mean by peer programming is that um, not using any AI tools, because we just write too much code using GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT. If GitHub Copilot doesn't work, we come to ChatGPT and we ask ChatGPT. And this is not how we should go. This is we just learn nothing. Okay, you can learn stuff from those. Like I use ChatGPT a lot to learn things. Before I would just go to someone, like example Russian. I used to go to Russian a lot to learn things, but after ChatGPT came, 6 people watching. I have no idea, honestly. If there are 6 people, can you? I don't. What is this? This thing is wrong. Okay, this thing is freaking me out. Okay. Anyway, so before I used to go to Russian, and then now I just do it myself, and it's just nice. Okay. So we will just gonna do Next.js here. Okay. We're just gonna initialize our Next.js project and hope that doing the dot okay. Name can no longer contain capital. That is crazy. What about? Do I make another medium clone under my medium clone? Oh man, that's stupid. Okay, I guess I need to delete the not used medium clone now. Or I can make a front end, which means I'll have provision to make some backend. Okay, dokie. So this is gonna be front end. No, but Next.js, I think we can write both front end and back end in Next.js. I'll refer you after 1 year. Got another job. New member? Hi Zaz, hello. Oh my god, I have a new member. That's crazy. Why is my voice so low? I don't know. I have not made any changes. And yesterday when I saw my stream, I thought I was literally shouting and screaming the entire time, as usual. But if you increase my voice, you can hear. Refer you after 1 year. Yay! I love referrals. Everyone says I'll refer you, but wait. Mm, I think it's your ear problem, not gonna lie. I can't speak, it's literally on full sensitivity. See, she can hear me. So I think your headphones got some issues. It's totally not my problem. I am speaking as loudly and my mic is on full setting, so my volume 70% only. Yes. So everyone keeps on telling me that I'll refer you, but my lazy ass just cannot apply to jobs. I don't get it why. I am so lazy to apply to jobs. Okay. Is is Annie here? Annie, hello. Are you here? Are you not? I am reading chat. Fix your ears. Stop telling him to fix his ears. So I don't know. Like, should I just delete? I should just okay. I should just change the name. This stupid next says, why can't I just name it? It looks so nice when I name it like in caps. Oh my god. Okay. I guess I can't because it's already named this way. The sadness. Do I just delete it? What do I do? Do I just create another one? Can I not? I can change names, right? That boy is corrupt. Oh my god. Oh fucking hell, this is pissing me off. Can you just create a project? I am so mad right now. You should recommend defaults. Okay. Oh, now you don't have to do that. Huh. I'll just. Okay. I can't decide between app router or page router. But okay, let's just do app router because I don't know honestly. When I started doing, I only did page router. I have to mute other stuff to hear you. Oh, sorry. Delay is there. I changed my delay to like no delay, like ultra low. I don't know what to do. I think you use cursor. No, cursor. They only ask DSA though. Yeah, actually, in coding interviews, they only ask DSA. They don't check if you can code or not. Like, I can say, I can build like the best stuff and then still only DSA will matter. Mm, I could, I studied DSA in my own time. So I am trying, I'm learning DSA, if that makes sense. It's a lot. There is so much to learn in DSA, which I did not do in college because guess what? I wasn't even ready to be a developer in college. All I did was run around and find the best designing internship I could get. And then apparently I was so bad at that. I was so bad at designing. Every time someone would tell me to change some designs, I would just get angry. Like, why? Just take what I've given you. Why do you want me to change my designs? And then I would just not. I'll just quit the next day. And I did this like so many times. Like I would just go to some I'll just do some internship and I'll just quit. And then at the end of the day, I just gave up on being a designer and I was like, you know what? Let's just join IT. What could happen? Like, everyone is doing it. If everyone is doing it, why not me? I can do the same things. Yeah, so um and so that's it. I just did it and I just got a job because everyone was getting a job and I didn't want to be the only one not getting a job. That is kind of scary. I felt like I would be missing out if I don't get a job. So I went and I got myself a job. And then I have been doing the job ever since. This job loves me so much. I am not able to. I am just doing the job. It's been a process. It's been years now. I gave up. I am so cooked. Anyways, so now that we got this thing up, let me just delete all this stuff because it's bullshit. Oh, okay, maybe not like that. Huh. See yourself. Don't stop putting bunch of random shit here. Just delete it all. So yes, you don't really need to know how to build stuff. Should I quit Uber to become an artist? Yes, you should. I'll show you full Uber you buy. I don't have money. It's okay. You should quit whatever you can. You should just do what your heart says, because trust me, it's very hard, like, to find something. Like, it took me so long to even like writing code. I kid you not. It took me really long. Like, I used to hate. I'm like, why every day there is like some new thing going on? And then I'll just be so angry. Like, I think my default setup is being too angry that I have to stop that. I have to stop being, hi, what is this game? Oh, this game is so like it's just writing colorful words, like children. Variable, writing colorful words, anti-aliased. Yeah, that's it. That's just you write colorful words on the screen. It's a vocabulary game. The better you can memorize stuff, the better it will be for you. I still, oh my god, so I think it crashed. Okay, let's not delete this page. Okay, let's not delete this page. I don't know. I am still figuring out what this does. Oh god, I got a flashbang. It's called a flashbang. A flashbang. A flashbang. The bang, bang, bang. Okay, what was I building? So I was gonna build a medium.com. See, this is what medium looks like. It has a account, a notification, a right button. Okay, this is not, I'm not trying to do. And then we have a side panel, and we have a search option. You know, search. You see, it's so easy. But then I'll probably quit my dog shit job again. Wait, did you already get another job? Because I don't know that. I did hear you were trying to quit your job, but did you already get it? Interviewer asked me, why is one equal one true, but one triple zero one triple zero false in Java? I don't, this interviewers just ask the most random and stupid question that we probably don't even need, but they will keep on still asking those because that is the only way they. No, I did not get. I'm searching still. But my manager has a problem with me not working on Saturdays. What? You have to work on Saturdays? That's crazy. Because I don't even work on weekdays. Do you know I work half day every Friday? And then like I don't even, it's not like I am on half day. I just work like I don't work much even on Fridays. I interviewed 20 plus engineers. Here is why most can't code. Everyone uses ChatGPT, brother. Anyways, this thing is a read. Design a rate limiter that allows 100 requests per user per hour. Implement a cache with TTL that can handle 10 talks per second. I have to work. He's making his own rules like an idiot. I have to work till 9 to 6 every day. Going to office is getting to my head, honestly. Yeah, I think so. Because it's crazy. Like, do they give you extra pay for working on weekends? Why would they just make you work on weekends? Okay, I just need to read about the Next.js app router real quick. Oh, why is there nothing in it? My days are hectic. Yes, I do understand that. Dude, because it's not fine asking someone to work on weekdays. It's really crazy. Like, why would anyone work on weekdays? I stopped going to the gyms. I was doing some exercises at home, but then I stopped doing that too. Because I would usually go for a run at like 8 p.m. and then I thought of doing streams at 8 p.m. So now I don't go to run. Then I thought I'll just wake up early, like really, really early, and I'll go for runs and my days are free. Why just keeping you up at night, huh? You have work from home. That's nice. Even I, even I also, I work from home like 2 weeks and then I go to office like 2 weeks. That's what I do, and it's honestly pretty chill. I like staying at home to eat food and play games. Well, that's good. I think we should. I think we should all go to office too. If you have work from home, you won't be stressed. Yes, I don't because I can wake up at 9, 10, and I have like pretty chill schedule because n- I told my managers that I won't overwork because in my company they do this thing that they'll throw you under the bus. They'll make you work like in 2 3 projects together, and it's really hectic to work in 2 3 projects together. So what I did is that I had a clear communication with him that I'm not gonna work in 2 3 projects because I only have billability to one project. I'm just gonna do that. If you want me to work in more, you need to I need to have a discussion with HR and I need more payment. I need more to get paid more for working in two things. So then he just stopped mentioning it after that. It's nice. Now I am having pretty chill days because my work is not that difficult, so I focus on my studies a lot, and I have seen that the more I focus on my studies, like knowing the things that I'm doing, it helps with my work getting done faster because you know it's related. So the more I study, and then my work is just getting done like quick, even faster, and then I have more time to study new things. Yeah, you should always have like set up a deadline and then don't finish work before you finish work on the day of your deadline. So then no, it's not okay if you have 2 3 projects. What do you mean? Are you crazy? You can't work in 2 3 projects together. Like, do you know how much stuff there is to do? Working in 2 3 projects is like stabbing on your own back because then you're just stuck figuring out what is happening all the time. Is it's not cool. They give me 2 days for a big task. I have one task and they give me 2 days for a big task. Yeah, it's like if I take 1 week, they start crying. It's okay, they will cry. If you take it to heart, if you just think too much about it, it won't help. Like they will always cry. Like it's normal. They will, like for me, in my case, they don't say stuff, but they're like, we will challenge you and see, because you have already, you did this work, like finish this work before in the sprints before the deadline, so they just try to challenge. You don't like people complaining. Oh yeah, I don't either. But you just have to get used to it, because when it comes to work, everyone is trying to chase something, and everyone is trying to make you do work for them, because it will benefit them in some way. So they will always complain. It's just a nature. It's human nature. We always complain. I complain. Like, look, I can start complaining about my hair right now, but I can complain about the smallest things. And you think people don't complain and work? Like, that's all they got. Most people just work. They all they got in life is work and family, so they can't complain about family. Imagine if you go to your home and you start complaining to them, they will literally kick you out of the house, just for it to be 2 days. Lol, for them I need to fix my social life also. I can't be obsessed with it. Yeah, you just tell them that this is not possible in 2 days. You need more time, that's it. And if they and you can tell them that you can, I'm talking to people after 2 years. What do you mean you're talking to people? Okay. I see. So you can tell them that, hey, if you want me to finish this in 2 days, you need like more people, you need help from more people. Like you can literally ask him that, why don't you help me and finish this in 2 days? And you see, that is when they will understand. Like just ask him straightforward that, hey, I am not able to do this alone in 2 days, why don't you help me and finish this task in 2 days? So then they will stop asking, because they know they can't do it in 2 days as well. Not staying on Discord and playing games. Oh, that's nice. Me too. Me too. I have been talking to people. It's nice. Talking to people is nice, I think. You should not say. I told them that, they told me you should not say like that. I told them give me 1 week. Yeah. um Maybe it's the way you speak. Try to sound more polite. Like I sound very polite. People don't come at me. They can't just, they can't you know your tone, the way you speak, it matters a lot. So if you put it in that way, where that, don't give them a chance to point their fingers at you. Yes, honestly, I shouldn't say this, but half the time working is just a game of manipulation. It's like Game of Thrones. I think you should just watch Game of Thrones. You will literally learn work culture from Game of Thrones. It's just as easy as that. Or you can read Game of Thrones. Yeah, it's literally just entire political game. Okay, so we were at app routing. God damn it, I'm so hungry. I did not get anything done. How is this life? No, it has tailwind again. God damn it. I fucking hate tailwind. I'm never gonna use tailwind. I forgot to remove tailwind from this page. No, I'm so confused between this entire page routing and app routing thing. Is it, am I on correct like, what is this? Please, this is too confusing for me. Can't app, and then I go to pages and it takes me to routing. Pages and layouts, dynamic, and all this stuff. But if I go to app, it takes me to app router, and then there is nothing in app router. Getting started. Okay, I don't even know if the component should be inside app. Let me check that once more. There should be one app, one pages, one public. So that is what we're gonna build another folder that should be called pages. Oops, not there. Pages. And I told my manager right to my face, told him I won't work Saturdays. Told them it's not written in the agreement, I'm not getting paid overtime. Yeah, you should tell them. You should tell them. Like, they can't do anything if you tell them, you know. They will always force. Like, they literally cannot. Like, what can they get you terminated? No. That's crazy. When the job is not good, anyways, because they are making you do this. So, okay, okay. So, what I'm gonna do now is, so pages would just explore. Also, page, add page to expose a route. Layout for shared UI such as header. So Page nav for photo loading skeletons error route for APIs. Nested routes, dynamic routes. Oh, this is okay. Template error boundaries. Yes. Okay, got it. So inside app you make components. Oh, oh my god, my mic is falling. And then you do a library for the constants, not routable, not routable. What is routable is the page.js. So every time I just write page.js, that is the only routable part. Then lib dashboard. I do have a dashboard. Do people still call it dashboard? Okay, I'll just call it dashboard. Or like a home page. Let's rename it to home page. And then we'll have API. Are you making another folder for API? So slash API, so slash API route.js. Route will just route. And there will be a page inside home page. .tsx. And I guess this page will render if I'm not wrong. And then inside API we can have a route.ts. Private folders. So if I'm naming something with underscore, folder name. So if this lib is the underscore folder name, here the page.js will not be routable. Okay, so if I'm just doing like a library, inside this if I do any page.tsx, this thing will not be routable, but we can render stuff here, separating UI from routing logic. So is this not page like how is this app routing? Is this not page routing? I am so confused. Not to be included. So this indicates that the folder is for organizational purposes and should not be included in the route's URL path. Okay. App admin dashboard. So oh lord. Oh. the hell is this slug? Oh, okay, I'm so confused. Creating a dynamic search patterns. Hmm. Linking between pages? Oh, this is important. Link component, of course. So you just import link and then you put a link over there. What is this slug? I'm so sluggish of reading slug. Link is primary way to navigate between routes and can also use router hook for more advanced navigation. Ah. Oh, oh my god, I'm sleepy. Road drops helpers. Here we go again. Da, 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 da. Here we go again. Da, da, da. Okay, so the root layout, it always needs a HTML and body tag. That's crazy because because in React also the index is there. You will always need the HTML and this thing to render stuff, but they have put the children under main tag, so I'm gonna do that too because why not? Now it will just render all the children in the layout tag. Okay, I need to try out this. Oh, I'm so paranoid right now. So whatever I write in this page, it will definitely show up. So suppose I write hello world, it will show up on my application page which is running on board. What the hell? This one? This show up? Now if I don't write hello, okay, if I go to this page, this home page, and I try to render where was the home page again? This is the post page. There's no home page. Wait, why is there nesting layout? Why am I making so many layouts? think my brain can't process this anymore. So everything, okay, every routing needs a layout. Holy shit, that is kinda crazy. Um, this is the root layout. No, how long are you gonna stream for? Not much. I'll just go for dinner in some time, in like 10 minutes. And then I will be streaming again tomorrow. So I need to first search, okay, how many. So Medium got one, that this is the home page. Then it got a library there. Library is called me/me/lists. Has a profile, a stories, a stats. Okay. Home library profile story stats. So this home page, then we'll need a library, a profile, a stories, and then stats. So these are the main things. So every one of them I guess need a layout. Every layout has to be written in this manner. So the blog layout, it also accepts children. Okay. Start layout. So every one of them will have one layout. Mm, sorry. Okay, now what am I doing inside the app component? Here we go again. So dynamic segments will be allowing me to create routes that are generated from data. For example, if I'm manually creating route for each individual blog post, you can create a dynamic route each segment to generate the route based on the blog post data. So I will need dynamic routing because everywhere I will be requiring a dynamic segments only. Search params. Then page you can access search parameters using search params and that. Um huh. Well, man, so now that I have created on stats, if I write like stats, does it take me to the stats page? No, there is no page because stats don't have a page. So everything needs one layout and one page. Let me just do a library and then suppose I wanna render. Okay, how do you write the page? You just do the same. Oh, you just do export default function customer. So you just do like export default. Let's export const page. And then do add a function, and then we just return, and then what are we returning? We're returning this is a library page. So now if we go to like slash library, export is not a React component. Oh, okay, let's can't do like this. I can do like export default page. Now let's check. Okay, so it does work this way. Now this is a library. Then if we just remove the library, so just go to the hello world page. And but it has one issue. What? Hydrate. That reminds me I need to drink some water. How long are you gonna stream? Oh, I already read that. I almost slept reading all of these things. It was a lot of. It was a lot of. Well, I guess now I can tell myself that I got the routing figured out. So, uh, it's not that bad. It's not going bad. I just need to do the dynamic routing thing properly, and then maybe once I know the dynamic routing, the server and client components, this one shouldn't be hard for me because I have already read all of this. Like, I have already known server and client components. Like, you just need to use client for a client, and then but I still need to read all of this. So, and I think until error handling, if I just give these few files a good read, probably be fine. Except the route handlers, which I have to read. Well, that's too much reading for today. I'll be going back and not doing this reading today. This reading I'll do tomorrow again. Hmm. It's a bit confusing, not gonna lie, for me, because I never worked in app or page routing before. I Why do I still feel like I'm just doing page routing and not app routing? Like, isn't just naming it like, isn't just rendering it like this similar to page routing? Oof, what happened? Oh, it's library. God damn it. Okay. Makes sense. So every page needs a page.tsx. This one will also need a page. This one also need a page.tsx. And I'm gonna copy the library thing from here to profile and then just say this is profile page. Oh, oops. Oh, no, no. Then here it will be called stat stats page. Then here it will be called stories page. So if I instead of write story, okay, I guess it's stories. So it will take me to stories page, which is nice. Okay. Now that I got that thing cleared, I do think I need the dynamic segment for the profile page. I haven't quite figured it out yet. Let's not build profile. Let's just start building the homepage. First we need a header. Well, this is it for today. I can't learn more than this much in one day. So, thank you for whoever came to my stream. Bye.